Hi dear 6th standard children. Let us start first lesson of your English textbook, that is Lighthouse. This lesson is purely an informative which gives the information about the lighthouse. So in this lesson you will learn about the lighthouse, which includes definition, history and uses of lighthouse. Before going to study about these things, just you think, what is lighthouse? Dear children, if you go near an ocean or a big lake, you can notice a tall round tower with a glass lookout at the top. Those tall buildings are called as lighthouse. Understand? A lighthouse is a tall building that has a light near the top. Then what is the use of this lighthouse? This lighthouse is used to warn and guide the ships on the ocean by using a clever lighting system. Okay. Now, let us start the lesson. I will read out. You should observe the pronunciation and underline the new words in your textbook. Rajiv and his father Madhav were very happy that day. Rajiv was especially thrilled. Underline the word thrilled. It means excited. 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 Because his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. They started out in the evening by 5 pm and reached the shore. Underline the word shore. It means land next to the sea or Samudra Tira. Samudra Tira in Kannada. By 6 pm. Madhav pointed out to the lighthouse in the distance. It was a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Dear children, did you understand anything by this paragraph? Listen here. Here is a conversation between father and son. Rajiv's father is Madhav. They were very happy that day. Especially Rajiv was excited. Especially Rajiv was thrilled. Why? Because his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Where they were going? They were going to visit the lighthouse. When they started out in the evening by 5 o'clock and reached the shore. When they have reached the shore? By 6 pm. Evening 6 o'clock. Madhav pointed out to the lighthouse in the distance. Now, Rajiv's father, Madhav, directed Rajiv's attention to the lighthouse. How it was looking? It was a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Now, Rajiv asked his father, Papa, what is the use of these lighthouses? Look at the second paragraph. Rajiv asked his father, Papa, what is the use of these lighthouses? Madhav said, they help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. Sometimes they are on the seashore and sometimes in the sea. They are in places which are dangerous to ships and they help to warn and guide the sailors. While looking at the lighthouse, Rajiv was asking his father, Papa, what is the use of this lighthouse? His question was, what is the use of this lighthouse? Madhav answered to his question by saying that they help the sailors. What is the meaning of the word sailors? Underline the word sailors. One who travels in the sea. In Kannada, Navika. Madhav answered that they help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. Because sometimes the sailors are on the seashore and sometimes they are in the sea. So they have to know where the land is and which place they are near. So to know all these things, lighthouse is very helpful. They are in places which are dangerous to ships and they help to warn and guide the sailors. The lighthouse protects the ships. How it protects? It protects the ships from crashing into shore by sending the light out towards the sea and it guides the sailors. Understand? Rajiv was curious. He said, but how do they work? By listening these things, Rajiv was getting curiousness. And again he asked the question to his father, But how do they work? Madhav replied, modern lighthouses use powerful electric lights. What was Madhav's reply? Modern lighthouses use powerful electric lights. Means how the modern lighthouses works? Modern lighthouses works by using the powerful electric lights. Dear students, understand till now? Let us continue in the next class. You take assignment. Write the meaning of the words thrilled. Second one is sure. Second question, what is lighthouse? Third one, why was Rajiv thrilled? Fourth one, how are the lighthouses useful to sailors? Dear students, you should submit your assignment by evening 4 o'clock. Okay, let us continue in the next class. Thank you.